Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
So let's move into 5 free courses on ChatGPT. First, introduction to ChatGPT. If you are playing around with ChatGPT but do not know its full potential, this introduction to ChatGPT courses by DataCamp may be the course for you. There is no prior knowledge required. Therefore, you can start to learn about the capabilities and limitations of ChatGPT and how you can make use of it in your everyday life. Many people struggle with prompting ChatGPT, and the first half of this course goes through the best practices from prompting ChatGPT to generate high quality relevant content. You will then learn how to translate ChatGPT into business value by learning about the different use cases such as text summarization and explaining code. The ultimate use case for everyone. For beginners, a lot of people are wondering how they can use ChatGPT to take their business to the next level. ChatGPT has been able to simplify a lot of employees' lives. However, some are unsure of how these are possible. This course will go through how you can skyrocket your current business using ChatGPT and AI by looking at capabilities of ChatGPT from a business and personal point of view. You will find out how you can make money and make the most out of your cost by using ChatGPT to do the work for you. Prompt Engineering for ChatGPT, a course designed by Dr. Jules White, an associate professor of computer science, to introduce to students to the patterns and approaches on how to write effective prompts for LLMs. The course is available for anybody and it only requires basic computer knowledge such as using a browser and accessing ChatGPT. You will start off with understanding basic prompts and gradually build towards writing more sophisticated prompts to help you solve any type of task. ChatGPT has many uses such as acting as a tutor, creating meal plans, writing code for software application, and more. Being able to understand how to prompt ChatGPT will allow you to become an expert user of these generative AI tools with strong prompt engineering skills to any use case. 4. ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers. A short 1-hour courses by deeplearning.ai and OpenAI aimed at all, beginners and advanced. The instructor are Isa Fulford, OpenAI, and Andrew Ng, deeplearning.ai, and the course is free for a limited time only. In the short course, you will learn how to use large language models (LLMs) to build new and efficient applications, understand the best practices for prompt engineering, and show you how LLM APIs can be used for a variety of tasks. For example, you will learn how to summarize use evaluation, determine sentiments, identify subjects, improve grammar, and more. Within the course, you will learn how to create a unique chatbot and write strong prompts. This all helps to provide developers with the knowledge on how to use LLMs most effectively, regardless of what experience in programming you have. This course is important for a world where LLMs are getting released left, right, and center. Fifth one, Building Systems with ChatGPT API. Another short course by deeplearning.ai and OpenAI where you will learn more about the ChatGPT APIs and how you can use these to automate complex workflows using chain calls to LLMs. The instructors are Isa Fulford and Andrew Ng, and the course is free for a limited time only. It is a beginner friendly course where you will need basic Python understanding to complete the course. The course can also cater to intermediate or advanced machine learning engineers who wish to learn about cutting edge prompt engineering skills for LLMs. You will learn how to build chain of prompts in regarding to prior prompts, systems that interact with both completions and new prompts, and also a customer service chatbot from what you have learned in the course.
For more information, link has been given in the description box. You can watch from there. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.